What's the meaning of adorn? Adorn. 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 The word adorn refers to the act of adding beauty or decoration to something, usually in an effort to enhance its appearance or appeal. When something is adorned, it becomes more visually attractive and aesthetically pleasing. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, such as adding decorative elements like jewelry, flowers, or other embellishments. The end result of adorning something is that it appears more polished, refined, and visually appealing, contributing to an overall sense of beauty and elegance.